Hello, friends. Let's take up one of the most important topics from GS2 government policies, the smart ID cards for the senior citizens to help emergency responders. तो क्वेश्चन ये होता है कि ऑलरेडी आधार आईडीज हैं, डिजिटल हेल्थ आईडीज की हम बात करते हैं अंडर द नेशनल डिजिटल हेल्थ आईडी मिशन। So एक सेपरेट इनिशिएटिव लेके आना, स्मार्ट आईडी कार्ड्स, will it not lead to duplication of the efforts and also wastage of resources when we already see कि 1.2% of the GDP is allocated for the healthcare? And will the smart ID cards help the poor people, the poor elderly people? क्या उनको पता है इसको कैसे यूज करना है? Because अभी it has only been distributed to 400 senior citizens. एंड क्या स्मार्ट आईडी कार्ड से स्मार्ट गवर्नेंस होगी? क्योंकि वी ऑलरेडी हैव द आयुष्मान भारत स्कीम and the Delhi government has decided to not be implementing the aspect related to the medical insurance under it. So it is a federal decision, but not what cooperative federalism demands. And if the government decides that this will not be implemented, then what is the alternative it is thinking about? So meet you soon in the next topic, the next video.